Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Florida. Went to Texas, came back, and now we're gonna make just another quick, easy brownie treat. And these are Reese's brownie mix. So let's get started. We're gonna start off by heating our oven to 325 and we are going to grease the bottom of our brownie pan. We're gonna stir in the brownie mix, 1/3 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg. And we're gonna mix this all together. And then we're gonna spread it into the bottom of our greased pan. So we'll just mix this all together. Of course, it's going to be lumpy because there's peanut butter chips in here. We'll just get it all nice and mixed together. So if you use the right tools, you're able to scrape your bowl really clean and then just kind of smooth this out so it's nice and even across the bottom. We're just going to place this in the oven for about 30 minutes and put a toothpick in it at 30 minutes and see if it's done.